Something breaks around the house. How cool would it be to have the ability to design and 3D print that replacement part instead of making a trip to the hardware store? You get an idea for an invention. How awesome would it be to quickly have a working prototype? Give me a few days and I'll turn you into a 21st century MacGyver. Hi, and welcome to my Fusion 360 Quick Start Guide. My name is Vladimir Mariano and I'll be your guide. I've been teaching 3D design for many years now, and my online courses are consistently reviewed as some of the best Fusion 360 lessons available. In addition to teaching online, I also run two makerspaces, a community makerspace and a college makerspace, where I also teach 3D design classes in Fusion 360. 3D printers are becoming more and more affordable and accessible. For example, many libraries now have 3D printers that are available for the public to go and use. There are also online sites where you can send them your digital design and they will 3D print and ship you your model. But if you don't know how to design your own models, you end up doing what most people do. You go online and you look for other people's designs to download and 3D print. And that gets old after a while. And it gets really frustrating when the model you printed almost works. I find that most people are hesitant to learn 3D design because it seems too complicated. Well, I'm here to prove you otherwise. The whole reason I put together this quick start guide is to show you how quickly I can guide you to designing your own models. I've been doing this since 2012, and the joy and thrill of quickly going from idea to physical part never gets old, and I want to share that experience with you. Okay, this is how this guide is going to work. Every day, I'm going to send you an email with a link to a design I want you to make. You're going to follow my step-by-step instruction in creating that day's model. After you're able to follow along and successfully create the model, I want you to then try designing it on your own without my video. I've got 7 models for you to make, each one being a little more advanced than the prior. I'll send you each day's video through a link to your email. It's important that you read the email before clicking on the link because there's a journey I want you to take. I know that you're going to love going through the lessons. I've picked some fun models for you to design, and you'll find that the lessons go at a beginner-friendly pace and are easy to follow. You're also going to appreciate how structured this little series is, and that each lesson will build on skills learned from the prior lesson. Structure is very important to me, and I spend a lot of time mapping that journey because I know how frustrating it can be being thrown around from one YouTube video to another and trying to learn a new skill. Alright, enough talking, let's dive in. Click on that link to begin this journey with me.